Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and my today's topic is from SST Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural vegetation refers to all kinds of species of plants life that grow on their own without intervention of human. This is not to be mistaken with cultivated crop on trees which are grown and looked after by human. As you all know, the natural vegetation refers to the all kinds of species of a plant's life. Both this topic is talking about both things, species and plant life, not one thing, because and that refers to both things, species and plants life. The growth of vegetation depends upon the several factors like temperature, rainfall, sunlight, soil, height above the sea level, and etc. Since these factors vary from place to place, various types of natural vegetation are found on the surface of the earth. And our next topic is what? Forests. Forests are thick cover of trees which grow where the conditions necessary for natural vegetation are plentiful. Usually forests are found region of high rainfall. They can be classified into two types, evergreen forest and deciduous forest. First, I am going to discuss with you a topic, tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are found in equatorial and wet tropical region. Here temperature is hot and humid throughout the year and the annual rainfall is between 800 to 2500 mm. So these forests are also known as tropical forest. There is no particular dry season, so there the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. Their trees do not shed their leaves altogether. In these forests, the trees are tall with a hardwood and broad leaves that are forms thick canopy at the top. This prevents sunlight from penetrating into the forest, which keeps the interior dark and damp. The sunlight do not reach on the surface of the earth because they are the very tall trees and canopy trees. For that this reason, sunlight not come to the contact of earth. Sunlight cannot reach the earth surface. And our next topic is the wildlife. Wildlife is a very important thing for us. Wildlife help us in a many ways, and we have to conserve both wildlife as well as plant species also. A wide variety of wildlife is found in these thick forests, such as a monkey. Here's one monkeys is a very much find on these regions because monkey, apes, sloth, pumas, jaguars, hippopotamus, crocodiles, alligator, turtles, iguanas, and the different types of the birds and insects animal live in the tropical forests are adapted to live among trees. A rich variety of birds such as parrots, etc. also inhabit the trees. And our next topic is tropical deciduous forest. These are also known as monsoon forest. They experience monsoon type of climate. The rainfall in this forest is less 100 is to 200 centimeter than the evergreen forest, but the temperature remain high. Trees are of the medium height and shed their leaves in the dry season in order to conserve water. There is dense undergrowth of bushes and shrubs. The trees of these forests are commercially very valuable and are used for making furniture and for transport and construction. Materials: some of the important trees are teak, sandalwood, sesame, bamboo, eucalyptus. These forests are found in the western Ghat of South India, Shivaliks hills of North India, Central America and North Australia. Wildlife. These forests are the breeding ground of tiger, lion, elephant, leopard, bears, rhinos, langurs, monkey, deers, snakes, deadly cobra, and viper birds includes cranes, eagles, hawk, peacock, woodpeckers, hornbills, kingfisher, etc. These all are the wildlife which are found in the deciduous forest. Deciduous forest is also helpful for us because these commercial valuable trees are found in that forest, and the evergreen forest, tropical evergreen forest are also important for us. All the forests are important for us, and all the wildlife are also important for us. They are balancing our nature in many ways, and they are helpful for us, dear children. And in our next video we will discuss on the next topic. Till then, watch this video. Thank you for watching, dear children. That is all for today. Bye, take care, have a nice day.